Welcome to GATHA Channel, where we bring you inspiring ideas to transform your small apartment into a luxurious retreat. Today, we start with the power of a well-chosen color palette. Selecting the right colors can instantly elevate the ambience of your home. Neutral tones like cream, beige, and soft gray provide a sophisticated foundation, while accents in deep blue, emerald green, or gold add richness and depth. A consistent color scheme makes your space feel curated and intentional. To enhance the effect, use textiles, artwork, and decor that complement your chosen palette. A harmonious blend of colors creates a seamless, elegant look that makes even the smallest apartment feel like a high-end sanctuary. Whether through paint, furniture, or accessories, thoughtful color coordination is an easy yet effective way to achieve a luxurious atmosphere. One often overlooked element that adds instant luxury to any small apartment is window treatments. Swapping out basic blinds for floor-length curtains in rich, high-quality fabrics can completely transform your space. Opt for materials like velvet, linen, or silk to create a sophisticated look. Sheer white curtains underneath add depth while allowing natural light to flow beautifully. Hanging curtains higher than the window frame can make your ceilings appear taller, giving the illusion of a grander space. Choose neutral tones for timeless elegance, or go bold with deep colors like navy or emerald green for a more dramatic effect. Pairing your window treatments with stylish curtain rods in gold or matte black further enhances the upscale feel. By dressing your windows with care, you'll add an effortless touch of refinement and warmth, making your apartment feel both cozy and opulent. Luxury is not just about how a space looks, it's also about how it feels. Introducing a variety of textures into your small apartment can instantly add depth and richness. Imagine sinking into a plush velvet couch adorned with silky throw pillows and a cozy faux fur blanket draped over the armrest. These textures work together to create a layered and inviting atmosphere. A high thread count duvet on your bed, soft woven rugs underfoot, and linen curtains fluttering in the breeze all contribute to a sense of comfort and elegance. Even small details like textured ceramic vases or metallic finish decor pieces can elevate the overall aesthetic. Mixing different materials, smooth marble, soft wool, and sleek metals, creates a dynamic and visually appealing space. By carefully choosing and layering luxurious textures, you can make even the smallest apartment feel like a high-end retreat. When designing a small apartment with a luxurious feel, less is more. Instead of filling the space with multiple small furniture pieces, invest in a few high-quality statement items. A stunning velvet sofa in a bold color, a marble coffee table with gold accents, or a sculptural accent chair can instantly draw the eye and add sophistication. Statement pieces act as focal points, allowing the rest of the decor to remain simple yet refined. Choose furniture with clean lines and elegant materials to maintain a polished aesthetic. Multifunctional pieces, such as an ottoman with hidden storage or a sleek console table, can help maximize space without compromising style. By curating your furniture selection carefully, you'll create an intentional, luxurious atmosphere where every piece contributes to a cohesive, high-end design. Mirrors are a secret weapon in making a small apartment feel more luxurious and spacious. A well-placed mirror can reflect light, brighten a room, and create the illusion of depth. Large, statement mirrors with elegant gold or black frames add a touch of refinement while making the space feel open and airy. Consider placing a mirror opposite a window to maximize natural light or above a console table for a stylish focal point. Mirrored furniture, such as a coffee table or dresser, can also add a sophisticated touch without overwhelming the space. Beyond functionality, mirrors serve as decorative elements that enhance the aesthetic appeal of a room. By strategically incorporating mirrors into your decor, you can achieve a brighter, more expansive, and effortlessly luxurious atmosphere. Luxury isn't just about aesthetics, it's also about organization. Clutter can quickly diminish the elegance of a space, so incorporating stylish storage solutions is essential. Built-in shelving, sleek storage baskets, and furniture with hidden compartments help keep your apartment tidy without sacrificing style. Consider a chic ottoman that doubles as storage or a minimalist floating shelf to display carefully curated decor. Choosing storage solutions in high-end finishes like matte black, glass, or polished wood can make a significant impact. Drawer organizers, decorative boxes, and closet systems further enhance the feeling of refined order. A well-organized space instantly looks more polished and inviting. By prioritizing both function and beauty, you can maintain a clutter-free, sophisticated home that feels effortlessly luxurious. Nothing adds personality and refinement to a space quite like carefully selected artwork and decorative accents. Large-scale statement art, whether an abstract painting or a modern black and white photograph, can become the focal point of a luxurious living space. A well-curated gallery wall featuring framed prints in coordinating colors adds a designer touch. Sculptural decor pieces, such as vases, candles, or metal sculptures, introduce an artistic flair without overwhelming the room. When styling surfaces, follow the rule of 3, grouping objects in odd numbers for a balanced look. Avoid cluttering the space with too many small decorations. Instead, opt for a few well-placed, high-quality items that exude elegance. With the right combination of art and accents, your apartment will feel elevated, stylish, and uniquely yours. Sometimes, the smallest details make the biggest impact. Swapping out standard hardware and fixtures for high-end alternatives can instantly elevate the feel of your apartment. Upgrade cabinet handles, doorknobs, and light switches to finishes like brushed gold, matte black, or polished chrome for a sleek and modern touch. Replace old faucets with stylish, contemporary designs that add a sense of luxury to your kitchen and bathroom. Even simple updates like adding a high-end shower head or elegant pendant lights can make a noticeable difference. These small yet impactful changes create a more cohesive, upscale look throughout your home. With minimal effort and investment, upgraded hardware and fixtures can give your apartment a refined and designer-inspired feel. Fresh flowers and greenery bring vibrancy and a sense of luxury to any space. A beautiful arrangement of orchids, roses, or lilies can serve as an elegant focal point on a coffee or dining table. Greenery, such as potted plants or cascading ivy, adds warmth and liveliness to an apartment. Placing plants in chic ceramic, gold, or glass vases enhances their aesthetic appeal. Not only do flowers and greenery improve air quality, but they also create an inviting and refreshing atmosphere. Even a single, well-placed floral arrangement can make your apartment feel more polished and thoughtfully designed. By incorporating natural elements into your decor, you can achieve a timeless and effortlessly luxurious ambience. Luxury is often synonymous with simplicity. A clutter-free, thoughtfully arranged space allows high-quality furnishings and decor to shine. Adopting a minimalist approach means choosing fewer but more intentional pieces, ensuring every item in your home serves a purpose. A neutral color palette, clean lines, and strategically placed decor create a sense of calm and sophistication. Quality over quantity is key, opting for well-crafted furniture and elegant accessories rather than overcrowding the space with unnecessary items. Keeping surfaces clear, using hidden storage, and maintaining a well-balanced design contribute to a serene and upscale atmosphere. By embracing minimalism, you'll create a small apartment that feels effortlessly luxurious, timeless, and inviting. Let me know if you need any refinements,